How to reactivate Facebook account. So if you've deactivated your Facebook account a while ago and now you want to reactivate the Facebook account, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to reactivate Facebook account after the activation, all you just need to do is make sure you do this within 30 days. So go ahead and open the Facebook app on your phone. Then you'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account or continue as another user on your Facebook. So just go ahead and click on login another. Then type in your Facebook account password, username, and then click on continue. Then you should see check your WhatsApp for verification code, your email, or whatever means Facebook used to verify your account. So just go ahead, get the verification code, and then type in the verification code. Then go ahead and click on continue. Hang on, so you can see the code is not correct. So type the code again. Make sure you type in the exact code and click on continue. Now, once you click on the continue button, just hang on for your Facebook account to confirm the verification code. And once the verification code is confirmed, you'll be taken to your Facebook account. There you go. So you can see I now have access to my Facebook account again. Then if I go to my Facebook menu, I also have access to all my pages, shortcut, and all other information I have already on Facebook. So that is basically how to reactivate a Facebook account that was recently deactivated. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.